stone pelting has been reported in Guna in Madhya Pradesh. Well, this unrest has been reported during Hanuman Jayanti procession yesterday. The clash took place between two groups during the procession, and as per information now, security now has been beefed up in Guna and situation is under control as per the police. We'll try and get more information about that in just a bit. Let's also listen into what the district collector of Guna has to say.
7:30 बजे शाम के समय पे एक मस्जिद के सामने से एक जुलूस जा रहा था, तो उस दौरान में एक कुछ कम्युनिकेशन गैप हुआ और दो समुदाय के बीच में कुछ पथराव हुआ था। तत्काल ही मौके पर सूचना मिलते ही प्रशासन और पुलिस दोनों वहाँ पर पहुँच गए थे और सिचुएशन को टोटली कंट्रोल कर लिया गया है। बीच में कुछ जगह पे रिवर्स फैलाने का प्रयास किया गया था, लेकिन उसको भी जगह जगह पर जा जाकर हम लोगों ने बाकायदा पीस सिस्टम के माध्यम से भी लोगों से बातचीत की, उनको एड्रेस किया और हमारी पूरी टीम ने एड्रेस किया और मीडिया ने भी इस पर काफ़ी अच्छी भूमिका निभाई। काफ़ी हम लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट दोनों समुदायों से भी की थी और अन्य लोगों से भी की थी, सभी लोग सामने आए।
All right, my colleague Anurag is also now joining us on the broadcast. He's getting us more about the ground situation. Anurag, what happened then? The district collector, of course, has informed about the incident, but what more information have you been able to gather and what is the situation now?
The situation is under control, and as you can see in those visuals, violence erupted in Guna during a Hanuman Jayanti procession when it passed in front of a mosque. And an argument broke out over DJ music being played as the rally crossed the mosque. The altercation quickly, escalated into tension and then stone pelting. As per the sources within the mosque and surrounding areas, the situation deteriorated rapidly as both sides began throwing stones at each other. And following the protest, the police registered an FIR based on the complaint by the BJP councillor Om Prakash Kushwaha under several sections of the BNS, including section 109, 296, 324, 125, 191, 190 and 115(2). 5 individuals from one community have been named in the FIR along with 15 to 20 unidentified persons.
Thank you so much, Anurag, for getting us those details there. Well, this is the latest that's coming in at the moment. We'll keep an eye on the developments. Stone pelting incident reported in Madhya Pradesh's Guna. This when the Hanuman Jayanti procession was taken out yesterday. We are learning a clash took place between two groups during the procession, and those visuals on your TV screens there, heavy stone pelting had taken place and the police had to step in, after which the situation was brought under control.